Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the haptic feedback comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare whether this Realme GT Neo 2 can come close to the OnePlus Nord 2's type of haptic feedback or not. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So usually the OnePlus phones, they do have really very strong haptic feedbacks. Yes, very strong haptic feedbacks. That's the reason few of the users they want to know this out of curiosity only. So right now I'll try to do the demonstration comparing both phones side by side while using the keyboard. I'll try to type in both phones and then we'll be able to analyze what is happening between the both phones in terms of the intensity of the vibrations. So let me try to keep the mic on the phone when I'm trying to type. Right now both keyboards are completely turned on in both phones, as you can see friends, and I'm trying to select with the high intensity as well in the vibration option, which I did select. Let me just show you even that one, so without any confusion, so you should not have any kind of confusions. So maximum intensity selected in the OnePlus Nord 2, and even in the Realme also selected with the maximum intensity. So both are having the really maximum intensity in the respective phones. And let me to start the typing. So right now it's very quiet at this moment because the time is about close to I think 12:54 a.m. midnight a.m. So this is the time which I thought of recording in the haptic feedbacks, because right now we'll be able to have very quiet noise, very quiet. As you can see friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 has got really very strong haptic feedbacks, which I can actually hear easily in this quiet situation. Let me just type on the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus Nord 2 slightly feels less. But let me know in the comment section below friends which one you felt a really strong one. So, but for me it looks the Realme GT Neo 2 is really strong. So there is another way to test this kind of strong intensity, which is the alarm clock. Whenever you set the alarm clock, you will be able to have that kind of strong intensity. Now let me try on the Realme GT Neo 2 what happens in this phone. So let me know in the comment section below friends which haptic feedback you felt the really strong and really best one. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information. Bye.